A very good afternoon, class 7th. Today we will continue our chapter 16. Today we will continue our chapter 16 and in this we are on the exercise 16.3. In this exercise you will learn about two types of sketches. In this exercise you will learn about how to draw the solid shapes on the paper with the help of two types of different sketches. So what you will learn? How to draw 3D shapes. 3D shapes on paper. Like here cube. So, in this, see here, it will shows you height, this one, its height, length and breadth, all the three things. How you will draw these shapes on the sheet of paper, right? So, these shapes we can draw by two types of sketches. First one is oblique sketch. First one is oblique sketches. Oblique sketches are like the small children's notebook in which boxes are already made. Square boxes are already made like this. So in this sketch you can take like this one is, I will take here 3 and 3. Height also 3, breadth also 3 and length also 3. First, second 3, I will take this and 3 from downside like this. Right? Another face, which one, the first or the second, that also 3. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Go with the downside, then join them. See, it is up with equal gap and it is a cube of 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 units. Means edges of this cube is 3 units. Edges is 3 units. So this is known as oblique sketches. What it known as? This is known as oblique sketches. So an oblique sketch conveys all the important aspect of the appearance of solid shape even without having proportional length. In this sketch it is properly very easily helpful to draw the sketch. Here as I drawn the cube, same like that with the different edges you can draw the cuboid also, right? So that is oblique sketches. Next, second, that is isometric sketches. Second one is isometric sketches. This is very important one, and these isometric sketches are drawn on the isometric sheets. This isometric sketch is drawn on isometric sheets. This will also I show you, but these sheets are dotted sheets on which dotted are there. Like in oblique sketch, sheets are like of square box, but in isometric sketches the sheets are like where dot is given on the sheets. So an isometric sheet is a dotted sheet on which the dots are arranged in an equilateral triangular pattern. जो आपकी आइसोमेट्रिक शीट्स होती हैं बेटा, उस पे जो डॉटेड का पैटर्न होता है, दैट इज विच टाइप ऑफ पैटर्न? इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगुलर पैटर्न. विच वन? इक्विलेटरल triangular pattern means like equilateral triangle whose all sides are equal, right? So isometric sketches are drawn on isometric sheets, and these sheets is a dotted sheets. Which type of sheets are these? Dotted sheets, on which the dots are arranged in equilateral triangular pattern, right? In this sketch, the dimensions of the solid shapes are proportionally replicated. So I will tell you how to draw these. Even I will show you also, right? So today, two techniques are used to represent 3D shapes on a plane surface. First one is oblique sketch, second one is isometric sketches. Now come, we will know more about these two type of sketches, how these work, and how different kind of solid shapes made on these sheets. See here beta, for oblique drawing sketch, these type of sheets are there, and you will draw like this. Like this you can draw very easily, because here you have to just match with the sides, right? This one is the front one. Now we will draw the back one also by joining the lines. And see here, the best, that is just joining the lines, right? Like here, see these lines, direct you will join with this, right? So oblique drawing is easy. Now further more we will go with this, that about oblique. An oblique pictorial starts with a straight on view of the one of the object faces, which is often the front face, like this one, right? Oblique pictorial mainly based on front face, objects faces. Like here, this is drawn, and angle between these is 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Common oblique angles includes are 30, 45 degree and 60, right? And these are angled and parallel lines are drawn to one side to represent the object's depth, as here. Clear? Oblique sheets, and on that 3D shapes. Now we will study about the isometric sketch. What are these? So see here, isometric sketch not only resembling a specific shape but also with the dimensions in the proportions to the actual object. Means isometric shapes are drawn with a very proper way. These are not just resembling a specific shape. Like in this, see, isometric sheets are like this, where you can see these are with the equilateral triangle shape, right? As these are in which they are in equilateral triangular pattern, right? Like this. See here, when you join these one this and this, they are making an equilateral triangle whose sides are equal, right? So isometric sheets are which type of sheets? They are dotted sheets, and which are in the equilateral triangular design. See, as it is drawn here, like this one, right? You can draw any shape with this. When you see any these type of images in the exhibitions, so you have to think about how these are drawn on the sheet of paper, right? So beta, these are always drawn like this basketball. This one has downside shadow also, right? So you will, on the paper you will draw it easily, but with the shadow you are not able to draw it. And this one, see here, so these are always drawn with the help of oblique sketches as well as with the help of isometric sheets, right? So the both methods will work here when you draw the 3D shapes on the paper. See here, to draw a cube of 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 units. So here see on the sheets there are square boxes. We will choose 4 boxes from this side, 4 this side and 4 this one, right? Same, we will go with the, we will take another 4 lines like this, and then we will join it, right, the front face and the back face, and this will be the figure of a cube, right? You can measure also with the help of the squares, because every cube, every face of the cube is made with the help of 4, right? The important one is that all the edges in the cube appear to be equal in measure even though they are not actually equal. Measure equal है, right? See here, right? So oblique sketch will help you to draw 3D shapes like this. When you draw a cuboid of 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 centimeter, then also see how isometric work. This one is 4 in the length, 3 in the breadth, right? Now 2 for the height, so we will take the gap of 2. See here. Then we join it, and then you will get the shape, right? This will be of 2 centimeter. Here this will 4. See here what are the methods. Method of drawing an oblique sketch of basic solid shapes are: draw the opposite face. Firstly, we will draw the front face with the measurements given, right, like this. Then we will draw the back face. Draw the opposite face with the same size of front face as well as it drawn. And the C part, third one is join the corresponding edges and use dotted lines for the hidden edges, like these one. This one will not show you now, only the front will show you, so that's why you will use the dotted part, dotted line for the to make it. Now next one is size of the opposite faces for 3D is same in an oblique sketch, right beta? So this is oblique sketch. Now let us study more about isometric sketches. Like these type of sheets you can draw on the sheet of paper also. See here, dotted sheets, and every dot is equidistant from the second one, right? So now come to your book. The first question in this is draw an isometric sketch for each of the images given below. So this isometric sketch you will draw with the help of dot. You will put the dot in your notebook and then draw it. Second one is the length of an edge of a cube is 5 centimeter. Draw an isometric sketch of the cube on an isometric dotted papers. So beta see isometric dotted paper you have drawn also when you are small, like you are in second and third class, you are playing the game to join the dots, right? So these are also known as the isometric sheets. After this, K4, draw an oblique sketch of the isometric shape given below. This complete exercise is about the sketches. So draw these sketches on the sheets, right? If in drawing anyone faces any problem, you can comment and you can ask, because you have to just join the dots with the length. When you mark the dots, or when you make an isometric sheets, there you have to remember one point, and that point is that the dotted should be of equidistance, right? Because the dotted pattern is equilateral triangular pattern. Okay beta, and after this, if anyone have any problem in this exercise, you can comment and ask. After this, our next exercise, which is visualizing solid objects. How you visualize these objects, right? So this we will discuss in the next lecture. For today, your work is just do exercise 16.3 in your fair notebook, and if you have any problem in any question, then you can comment and ask.